Alright, this will be a short video describing how to reprogram a Liftmaster garage door opener keypad. To start, you're going to want to go to your motor unit. On the rear, you will notice a purple Learn button behind the flip down door. You're just going to want to press this button and the green light will appear. We now have 30 seconds to go to the keypad unit. To change the code, we simply enter a new code. Let's use 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will press and hold enter. The light will flash, and the new code has been set to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's test this code. To close the door, we simply press enter. Now, to reopen the door, we simply enter our code 1, 2, 3, 4, and we press enter. Now, I will demonstrate how to set a temporary pin. First, you enter the regular pin on the keypad, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we press star, and the motor unit just blinked 3 times. Now we enter a temporary pin. Let's use 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we press enter. Now we can either enter the number of hours for the pin to be set or the number of openings for the pin to be set. Let's do openings. Let's set it for 1 opening. We're going to press 1 and then pound. The motor unit just clicked once. The temporary pin is now learned. Let's test this by closing the door. There we are. According to the instructions, the temporary pin was set for 1 opening. Our temporary pin, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it works for 1 opening. The motor unit can also be set to have the temporary pin be set for a specific number of hours. To do this, enter the user pin onto the keypad, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and press the star key. The motor unit just blinked. Now enter the temporary pin. In this case, let's do 0, 8, 5, 2. Then we will press enter. Now, for number of hours, we will enter the number of hours, then press star, compared to pressing the number of openings and pressing pound. Let's do 2 hours. Then we'll hold star. The motor unit blinked once. That pin is now valid for 2 hours. We can test it by entering our regular user pin, closing the door. There's our temporary pin. We press enter, and it works. So there you have it. How to reprogram Chamberlain or your Liftmaster garage door opener keypad and set a temporary pin. That is all.